Alright guys, what's up? I haven't posted on TikTok in a while, so today I'll be installing this RAM in my PC. My PC needed a RAM upgrade, so I said, might as well make a TikTok about it. I haven't posted on TikTok in a while, so I have the Corsair DDR4 RAM. It is 64 gigabytes, 2x32. Really good. This is like basically overkill for most people, but I like a little extra. So yeah, let me go get my knife and let's unbox it. Ah shit, bro. There we go, brand new pocket knife. This one's really nice, stainless steel blade. Yup. Alright, it's so hard to record with one hand. So I'm gonna cut right here. Yup. And so here's what it comes with, the box, safety stuff, instructions. I already know how to build PCs, so I don't think I'll need that. And here you have the RAM. So step one is to undo these two clips right here and take out my existing RAM, because it's not good to mix two different versions. This is, I think, 16 gigabytes, and yeah, here I have 2x32s. Yeah, and there you have it. I opened the clip. Sorry, it was just the top one. My bad. I've never done this before. Here's my old RAM stick. Pretty shitty, no name. It just, because it came with this was a pre-built PC. As you can see, there's 16 gigabytes. Yep. DDR4. So, out with the old, in with the new. Hold on, I want to get this. Alright, so I don't know why my RAM smells like piss, but it does. And so here is the new RAM. Corsair, it has those LGBT lights, RGB lights, whatever. Very nice, very nice. And so yeah, what you want to do, if you see this little notch right here, you want to line it up with the notch in there. You guys will see those notches right there. I'll try and line it up. Right there. You have those notches, you want to make sure you line it up, or else you're going to break a RAM. So I'll get back to you when I install it. Now that you got your RAM in this spot, you just want to make sure it clicks in. Ready? Oh, I might have to put the phone down for this. I'm trying to put it inside my computer somehow. Oh, I just switched my camera. Yeah, I'll install it first to not mess this up. Alright, there you have it. I just put in both of them. You want to make sure these clips are down. Oh, and I just broke my hand. Make sure these clips are down so it stays in. And yeah, let's power up my PC and see what happens. Hopefully I didn't screw this up. And I'll keep this on the side in case I need it for another project or something. So yeah, RAM. Let's give it a shot. Let's see. There we go. I was like, why isn't it? Oh, that looks sick. Damn. Yo, mama, you gotta check out this RAM, bro. Check out this RAM. I just installed it. I'm making a video about it, too. And there you have it, guys. Let's see if my computer will turn on. Where's my mouse? Bro, my mouse escaped, man. I need to get a cat. Fell behind my desk. Anyways, let's give this a shot. So, my password, I'm not giving it. Otherwise, it looks good. So, hold on, let me just log in. Alright, so if you guys go on to, oh my god, antivirus, bro. If you go to Task Manager and you go to this section over here, let me zoom in. Go to this section right here. You see CPU, memory, all that stuff, GPU, Wi-Fi, disk 1, disk 2, all that stuff. You go to memory, and you can see here we're using a solid 9 gigabytes. We have 54 gigabytes available. And yeah, I put around, it used to have around 60, now it has 56, 50. Well, right now it has 50 because we're using it, but we should have around, so yeah, hold on, 32, 30, how much, 50, yeah, 64, sorry, 64 gigs. I can't math. So yeah, everything runs well. Before it used to be way up here, because I was running out of RAM, and now it's good. It is good. So yeah, go ahead and follow my account if this is interesting. And yeah, whatever. Bye.